All right, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I have on my desk now a bottom 2-speed motor stack out of the Leslie 147. Let's plug this up and see what it sounds like. Thank you. Let's see. Now this is as is. Okay, so this is the slow motor. And it's spinning. It was. It's trying to spin. It will be spinning when I get finished with it. You can hear it. So it's trying to spin. All right. And then plugging in the fast motor. That's the fast. All right. You hear that? Well, we're going to knock that on out. So it ain't going to be sounding like this when I get finished with it. Oh, this bad boy going to be purring, sounding quiet, smooth. But I want you to hear it now. This is the before. Okay. All right, so I got work to do. Get going here. Get this work did. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.